Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start in the lobby, tap the gear icon to open settings right away. Once in settings, go to audio or voice chat. This is where language options live. Make sure you have granted microphone permission at the system level because Bgmi hides some options until the app can access audio. If permission is denied, grant it and restart the game, otherwise proceed to the next menu. This gets you to the controls that actually let you pick the voice chat language. Once done, open voice chat language and tap your preferred option, English, Hindi, or other supported choices. You change this because the game maps voice streams to language channels. Picking the right one improves team clarity. Make sure your in-game region or server matches teammates, since region affects voice routing. If needed, toggle push-to-talk or auto voice to restart the voice subsystem. This forces Bgmi to apply the new language set. To finish, join a custom match or ask a friend to confirm your voice language is active. Testing prevents surprises in competitive play. If the new language isn't applied, make sure app permissions are still granted, then restart Bgmi. This resolves most sync issues. When problems persist, clear the app cache from system settings or reinstall the game. This resets corrupted voice channel mappings. One key troubleshooting tip: check your network type. Unstable networks can drop voice channel registration and mimic language failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.